We got us another kinky edge hairline. It's kinky edges. It's a 13 by 4 closure. I got this in 12 inches. I wish I would have got longer because look at this picture right here. This length looks a lot better than this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm so tired of having to fix these laces. It's too light for my face. I feel like if I stretch it, the curls are gonna mess up. I like the curls, but I don't know. I need it to be longer. If I put mousse on it, I don't want it to mess up the curls. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. Can we get a moment of silence for that part? Oh my God, it looks so real. This is the finished product. I like it. I really do like it. I was scared about the curls messing up, so I didn't try to style it or anything. I really wanted to put it up into a ponytail, but I was just too scared. So all I did, as you saw in the previous clip, is I took some mousse and pulled it back. I used some bobby pins. One thing I don't like is that I put too much makeup in the part. So hopefully once I tie that down tonight, it'll look a little bit better. But this is what it looks like. To me, this one is more believable than the other one. It just looks like I guess took some little curlers or something and used it. But yeah, what I like about it, the color. I like the color. The black is eating down. I like it. I like it a lot. One thing I was kind of hesitant about is these this extra hair. I didn't know what to do with it, so I tried to keep it in its same shape. I didn't want to do the little swoops or whatever, because what's the point of having the kinky edge? You know, the kinky edge is supposed to do exactly that, be kinky. So that's why I just mainly kept it like this, and I did a little swoop on the side. But yeah, I just tried to do something different to make it look more believable. Because you know, the first thing you do when you see somebody with some baby hairs, you like, oh, let me look in the scalp. Yeah, that's a lace wig. So even though I know that you cannot hide the fact that it's a lace wig, but you can try your best to fool somebody. So let me know down below what you think, and thank you for watching. Bye.